Hey everybody, Orbital Minds here, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to hack Subway Surfers. Now, all you guys are want to do is go into the link in the description below and go to this website that I just put in, and then once you click on it and it brings you to this website, you just download the file. Download is starting. I press just once instead of always. I don't know why. It just does. Okay. Then it starts downloading. After that, I just go to my downloads folder. Right there, you just wait till it's done downloading. Right there. Alright, now it's done, so you're just going to want to press on it. Instead of saying Subway Surfers, it says Subway Surf. I don't know why, but it just does. Probably because it's a mod APK. Now, if you wanted to, you could download the new version of it, but after you go into it, it says that there's a new mod available. But for the sake of time, I'm just not going to even do it. Just wait for that to install. Alright, finally. now you open it, see it says mod right there. That's how you know you downloaded the right one. Now here says mod update. Now I'll do the mod. You guys can do that, but I'm just gonna press later for the sake of time. Then it is going to bring you to this if you download it or if you do that, and you're just gonna wait to load it. And you'll notice right when you start that you don't have to start from where you usually do, where you just modded. So, if you sign into your Facebook in your old account, you can keep all of this on your new account. So it's pretty cool. See, it says your score right down there. You see that score? And then you can look at the hoverboard, look at the money, the hoverboard, which one hoverboard you got. So the names. You got every single character and their top gear and stuff. You can collect rewards, sign into your I don't know what which one that you have on. You even have that board. Alright, you can go just play and then you see it, you have a new ID. Look at that, look how fast that board is up right there. You do a new high score every single time. Still haven't? You just press that. Bam. Because it's loading anyway. You can keep on dying if you want to keep dying. Hoverboard. Pretty cool. Alright, so that's how you download the mod APK. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.